and today we're making a clay ghost. And then I'm gonna take the edge of this little paintbrush tool. I'm so concentrated too. No, you're fine. And then gently, we're just going to kind of smash down the sides. We're not gonna look at the back of the ghost, but the front of the ghost is good, guys. Oh my god! Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Paven, and I'm here with Ashley. And today we're making a clay ghost, and it's Halloween themed. Do you like my decorations? So we have 2 slabs of clay here. They are pretty thin, you can tell there. And I'm gonna be using this cup just to draw out some circles on here. I'm gonna set it here, and I'm gonna take my needle tool here and just, it doesn't have to be perfect. It looks perfect. I'm gonna keep this to the side just in case I mess up and have to make a new circle. So now we have a little circle here. And I am gonna make it a little bit thinner and kind of smooth out those edges. Ashley also has a perfect little circle there. So I'm gonna just take this and kind of slam it, just gently. I just wanted to thin mine out a bit. Probably good. And then I'm gonna take the edge of this little paintbrush tool and kind of just, let's see if I can do this. I want to just make those edges just a little bit, I'm not doing this very well. I want to make them less blunt, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing. And then don't worry about like any indents or like cracks in it. We'll use a sponge and smooth that out later. You're so fast. I'm so concentrated too. No, you're fine. Nothing has to look good in this stage because we'll do all the final details at the end. So now that we have our circles, kind of, we're gonna use our thumb and keep it in the center of this circle here. And then gently, we're just going to kind of smash down the sides. So what I'm doing here is I'm not bending it all at once. I'm just bending it slowly, and then eventually it will form into like the little mushroom. Yeah, whatever shape you might call that. Hold it up like this, and then I'm taking my sponge and going on each side, adding a little bit of moisture, allowing it to brighten more. That's okay. It's like a seashell. It is. But it's not. It's not. And while I'm trying to get it into this ghost form, I'm kind of using these 2 fingers here with my thumb pushing inwards like this. So we're kind of making this motion with the clay, and you're gonna get those ruffles of his little skirt. So now I'm taking a damp sponge and kind of just going in those creases. Hopefully this turns out right. Guys, I've never made a clay ghost. This is so fun. It's like slimy though. It is slimy. You're just looking good. Hey, thank you. Also knows with clay, you can always fix everything. You can always fix it sometime. Exactly. Words from Haven. Let's set that to the side and make its little arms. You can just take a little thing of clay, and you're gonna roll like, let me dry my hands off real fast. And I'm gonna do a little swoop here so that he has like a little arm going like this. I got one, I'm gonna make another one. Guys, she's a pottery professional. She knew the word or the term score. So now I'm just scoring this clay. I'm just basically making it rough. So I'm gonna make it rough here, and then I'm gonna make it rough on the ghost where I'm going to attach it to. And then you take a little brush tool like this, just dip it in water, and then all you need is just a little bit of water on each of those little parts, and then you can take your little arms and smush it against the ghost guy. So once we have it here, I like to use, go ahead. I'm gonna use a tool like this, and I'm literally just going to kind of smush it together. Again, it doesn't look cute when I'm doing it like this, but I'll smooth everything else out at the end. We're not gonna look at the back of the ghost, but the front of the ghost is good, guys. It's giving ghost. It's giving ghost. I'm gonna take my needle tool and carve out 2 little eyeballs. Oh, wouldn't it be so cute if we added like little tiny glasses to them? I guess. Yeah, that's cute. Oh my god, it's so clayey in there. Yeah. It's called slip. It's like when the clay is 50% water, 50% like clay. Alright, the back of him looks a little rough. You can always add a nose. Oh my god! I think they just found a... The little ghosts that we made, I think they're so cute. Thanks for hanging out with us and getting festive today, guys. And getting a little bit dirty. Just a little bit, but it's fun. Anyways, if you want to see some more little ghosts being made or other fun clay activities, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.